Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today we're doing the last video on this Jeep we just done, this Jeep Wrangler JL. And we have done quite a bit of stuff, but this is one thing a lot of people forget that they need. What am I talking about? You'll see in a second. That is my telephone number here. The product I'm going to show you will have a link on the bottom of this YouTube video, so if you want to see how much it is, we can of course ship it to you, or you can come to the store. So here's the Jeep Wrangler we've been working on. We did the bumper, steering stabilizer, lift kit, wheels, tires, amp boards, and now, a lot of times people, when they have the Jeeps, they do the wheels and tires, they get the nice wider tire. This is 11.5, so it's a nice wide tire. You also got a negative offset in the wheel, so you know, it comes out a little further. So they forget, when they go to put the spare on, it will not work with the spare setup. They're from the factory, by the way. So we got a rough country relocation kit. Basically what it does, it brings this out so you can put on your bigger wheel and tire. I don't know how many times, and I'd say we forgot that too. You need this. Plus, you get this good-looking wheel. You can show it off here in the back, and if anyone rear ends you and hits the tire, it does protect the vehicle a little bit. But the most important thing, you can put your spare on, because I don't know how many times I get calls and people say, "Well, I got these wheels and tires, and I got everything on, but it won't fit on the back." I'm like, "Well, because you need a relocation kit by Rough Country." Not too hard to put on. From a scale from 1 to 10, that's what, a 3, buddy? How long? It didn't take long for you to put it on at all, right? So anyone can do it. Of course, you can have us do it. We love doing it for you.
You got to raise the light up too.
Oh yeah, and the light had to be raised up as well. So, it's got a few things in here that you have to do, and this will work for a 35 as well. This is a 33-inch tire. The main problem is not just the height of the tire, but the width of the tire, and this works for both of those. So it's good that Buddy's getting in there with the camera so you can see. It's actually extremely well made. I mean, Rough Country is funny. You would think from the pricing and some of the stuff that, maybe they cut corners. They really don't. I have a lot of Rough Country on my truck, and I hate to say this, I'm going to be honest, going about 10, 15 years ago, I was not a fan of Rough Country. People ask me Rough Country, I was like, nah, I don't really like it. Now I'm a huge fan because I sell a lot of their stuff, and I realize it is a good quality product, but I did start it on my vehicle first, and I've been very happy. The Rough Country lift I have in my truck, I have a Rough Country bumper. I got a lot of Rough Country, and it is really well made. Don't let the price fool you. I know you're thinking, well, it's inexpensive. They might cut corners. No, they didn't. They did a great job. Again, if you like this product, we can get it for you. You can call us at the store. You can go to the bottom of this YouTube video, click on this. It'll take you right to the website. You see the pricing. And again, if you want us to put it on, we can take care of that for you. Again, this is a review of the Rough Country spare tire wheel location kit, which brings the light up a little bit more, brings it all out here for bigger tires. And I am Chris with C&H, and before I go, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And Buddy, come here, swing around here, get a real good look on it before I go here. If you want to take a video on the other side, I know a lot of people want to see exactly how it's on here. As you can see, it looks good, but the most important thing, it is functional. It helps out a whole lot. And again, don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.